Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to deposit checks using the simple mobile app in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into the simple mobile app. So go ahead and open up the app on your mobile device and log into your simple account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on the deposit button that's in the bottom navigation bar. And once that opens up, you're going to select mobile deposit from the drop down menu. And from there, you can just take a photo of the check. So you want to take a photo using your mobile device's camera. Take a photo of the front and the back of the check. And then you're going to enter the check's details. So after taking a photo, you're going to need to enter the details such as the check number and the amount. And once that's done, you can confirm the deposit by reviewing the details and then clicking on confirm. That's pretty much it on how to deposit checks using the simple mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.